इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आपको फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जो भी सेट्स दिए हैं उनका इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कहा है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का जो फर्स्ट पार्ट था इसमें x जो था दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 1 3 एंड 5 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3। तो x इंटरसेक्शन y जो होगा दिस विल बी इक्वल टू, जो भी इन दोनों में कॉमन है तो कॉमन सिर्फ 1 और 3 है, तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या आएगा 1, 3। In second part we have a is equal to a e I o u and b is equal to a b c। तो a इंटरसेक्शन b में सिर्फ एक ही कॉमन एलिमेंट है दैट इज इक्वल टू a, तो हमारा आंसर होगा a। इन थर्ड पार्ट a is equal to x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 3, that means this is equal to 3 6 9 12 and so on, and b is equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So here we will have 1 2 3 4 and 5. So when we find a intersection b we will have just one common element which is 3, because only 3 is common in both the sets, so our answer will be equal to 3. In fourth part a is equal to x such that x is a natural number and 1 less than x less than equal to 6. So this will be equal to 2 3 4 5 6 and b is equal to x such that x is a natural number and 6 less than x less than 10. So we will have 7 8 and 9. So when we find a intersection b, so we will see there is no common element in these two sets, so a intersection will be 5. So a and b are disjoint sets. A and b are disjoint sets in this case, as there is no common element. In fifth part you have a is equal to 1 2 3 and b is equal to 5. Here also you do not have any element common, so a intersection b is equal to 5. There will be no element which is common to both a and b.